Hello students, I Divya Kumari Meena, Assistant Professor, English Literature, Government Girls College Sikandra. Welcome all of you in the class of English Literature of BA Part 2nd year. In present time, all we know about our social condition that we have to face disease like corona. So it is very necessary to be safe and to be alert and remain in our house as much as possible, and also to follow the guidelines of government. But being a student, it is also necessary that we cannot avoid our studies. Therefore, we are providing you e-lectures so that it may help you in your studies. So it is also your duty to be punctual about your study and to be regular in your studies. Today we will discuss about the pattern of your paper which you will face in your examination. So the syllabus of the BA Part 2nd year is divided into 3 sections. And the students will have to solve 5 questions among all questions. So the first question will be from all 3 sections, and there will be 8 reference to context. You have to solve out of 8 only 4 paragraphs. These paragraphs will be from 3 sections of each paper. The pattern of the both papers is same. There will be 2 papers, first paper and second paper. So the pattern will be same. So the first question will be based on the passages from all 3 sections. There will be 8 questions or the 8 paragraphs in the question paper, and you have to solve only 4 out of 8. Now if we talk about the second question, then the second question is a compulsory question which you have to solve. It is necessary to solve the second question. There will be 10 questions. Out of 10 questions, you have to solve only 5 questions out of them. You have to answer in 5 lines at least. The answer should be of 5 lines. And then there will be 6 long questions, and you have to solve only 3 out of the 6 questions. But they will be from each section there will be 2 questions, 2 alternative questions. You have to solve one out of them from every section. So thus there will be 3 long questions. If we talk about the marks of each question, then in first question each paragraph will carry 5 marks. Each question will be of 5 marks. So there will be 4 questions. So first question will carry 20 marks. In second question, there you have to solve 5 questions. So each question will carry 4 marks. So there will be total of 20 marks. Now the third, fourth and fifth question will be of 20 marks. Thus the whole paper first and paper second will carry 100 marks. So this is the pattern of your syllabus of BA part second year. I hope that all of the students of English literature will be serious about their studies. Thank you.